Sitting with Basil, and he's doing such a phenomenal job as an acting. After doing Minnalle Murali, and I'm saying, when you're directing your film, next. He says, I've been writing. He says, why you only been acting? He says, what to do? I wasted my 2 years in Bollywood. He was like he was feeling the same thing about this place that I felt. He said, I wasted my 2 years. He says, how have you survived for so long? He asked me. In this industry. When you stay here in Bombay, I felt isolated. But when I went to South, I had got the kind of love that I can't imagine. The whole of South industries, all of them. This immense amount of love. जो South में मेरे को बेसिल ने बोला, जो हमारे सेंसर बोर्ड सोचता, सब लोग वही सोचते हैं. ये इंडस्ट्री का प्रॉब्लम यही है कि ये लोग कभी साथ नहीं आ सकते. ये खुश होते हैं कि उसकी अटक गई फिल्म. ये खुश होते हैं कि उसकी फिल्म फंस गई. ये खुश होते हैं उसकी फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई.
Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Zoom Speak Easy. One of my favorite people because इस दुनिया में सच बोलने वाले बहुत कम होते हैं. Besides being extremely talented, he's also extremely himself. We love him, Mr. Anurag Kashyap, back with his OG Anurag Kashyap film. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? So shocked, na? I'm saying such nice things.
Yeah.
Oh, he almost looks like I'm sure. But you're nice sometimes. How have you been? I've missed you, Anurag.
I'm good. I'm in a, I think, best phase of my life.
You are. The last time we spoke about, you were getting your life together back again, and you were telling me that I need to take some time off, focus on myself, take care of my mental health.
Which I
How's
do
all
now.
that?
I prioritize myself now.
You have?
My work, my films, my health, my life is my priority.
You've obviously been, and rightfully so, you have observed what has been happening in the industry, and you decided not to stay here for a while. And you said,
No, I have stepped away. I have moved out of Bombay. I don't live in Bombay anymore.
But it was a massive decision because this was a city of dreams for you. I want to understand
It was a big decision, but also I realized, when I was doing Rifle Club, and I realized that films जहाँ बनती वहाँ सब इकट्ठा होते हैं, लेकिन मंजू वारियर त्रिशूर में रहती है, गीतू कोची में रहती है, कोई त्रिवेंद्रम में रहता है, सब अपने अपने गांव में रहते हैं, अलग अलग जगह रहते हैं. फिल्म बनाने एक जगह इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं. तो वैसे हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? मेरे को फिल्म बनाने जहाँ जाना हो मैं वहाँ चला जाऊँगा. मैं रहता बेंगलोर में सिर्फ इसलिए हूँ क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे वो स्टिमुलेटिंग कॉन्वर्सेशंस नहीं मिलते. हम सिनेमा पे बातें करते थे, अभी यहाँ बातें सिर्फ बॉक्स ऑफिस की होती. और तो वो सारी चीज़ें जो है, वो जो एक अजीब सा माहौल हो गया है यहाँ पे.
You said that the toxicity was really getting to you.
It was not just getting to me also. It's not just that. It's also because the world is changing very fast. And I speak my mind, and the thing is, the way social media has become, the way everything has become, people's attention span has become shorter, because of which when I give long interviews, they get broken down into small pieces. And so the interview does not come across like a conversation, it becomes opinions. And those opinions become headlines. And those things had put me in a place where I started feeling increasingly isolated. Shujit Sarkar lives in Kolkata, Dibakar lives in Himachal, and they still make films.
Sure.
And I'm not seeking within me as a filmmaker, I'm a very secure human being. I'm such a secure human being. So मैं बहुत साफ मेरे खुद के लोग मेरे को बोलते हैं कि तुम तो सबके लिए खड़े जाते हो, तुम्हारे लिए कौन खड़ा होता है?
सही बात है.
वही है.
बात सही है.
और ये इंडस्ट्री कभी, मुझे मालूम है, मैं बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कह सकता हूँ, ये इंडस्ट्री कभी इकट्ठा हो ही नहीं सकती. ये इंडस्ट्री जो है ऐसी है. अभी AI आएगा, AI पे लोग फिल्में बनाएंगे. ये जो बाहर हो रहा है वो वैसा यहाँ पे कभी नहीं होगा. और ठीक है, बिकॉज व्हाट इज इनएविटेबल इज इनएविटेबल. ये सारे एक्टर्स इकट्ठा होंगे एक दिन, जब वो भी रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. हाँ.
पर मैंने देखा विक्रम ऑल्सो टुक अ स्टैंड व्हेन यू पुट दैट पोस्ट आउट कि क्या कर रहे हैं हम कैसे.
वो मेरे लिए, क्योंकि वो अनएथिकल चीज़ है. आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट एन इंडिविजुअल. माय थिंग इज लाइक व्हेन यू रिप्रेजेंट एन roster of artists, which includes writers and directors,
जी.
and then you are doing AI, then that is very unethical for me. I don't have a problem with a producer, with who you have produced the film, him using AI. करो भाई, AI तो सब लोग दुनिया यूज करने वाली है. AI के बहुत सारे यूज होने वाले हैं और AI का एथिकल अनएथिकल यूज भी होता है.
जी.
आप करो AI, लेकिन फिर आप राइटर्स और डायरेक्टर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करना छोड़ दो.
मुझे पता है कि ये बात शायद आज भी लागू होती है आप पे अनुराग, क्योंकि आपने कुछ साल पहले से आपने मुझे कहा था, काफ़ी लोगों को भी शायद कहा होगा, आपने कहा था कि बड़े स्टार्स से आप नहीं काम करोगे. आपने हमेशा ऐसे लोगों को चुना है, कहानी के अनुसार चुना है, और मुझे लगता है निशांत जी अगेन इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट. और आपको उसमें स्टार पावर दिखाने की या ऐसे कैमियो डालने की, वो आपने कभी भी उस रूट को नहीं चूज़ किया. Has it been a difficult route to take now also?
No,
When
it's
you,
not.
because you've been, because you said that it is hurtful every time you are making a film, the first thing they start asking you is पैसे कितने कमाएंगे या कितना आउटकम होगा.
हाँ, बहुत सारा. बिकॉज सी एक चीज़ और ना कि आई वर्क बैकवर्ड्स. आई टेक प्राइड इन द फैक्ट दैट आई कंट्रोल माई बजट्स. एंड व्हेन यू कंट्रोल योर बजट्स, you have more freedom, and that way I make my films and I get to do what I want to do. That way I get to do what I want to do.
Anurag, did you take the criticisms that I've always still jokes about, that starts with Bombay Velvet and otherwise, about how if you're given so much money, you apparently sold your soul, and now, because in the trailers also they're like, this is the Anurag that we were waiting for, right? Like,
वो उनका problem है. See, I'll tell you, when people say I'm back, they want the Anurag of Wasipur
Yeah.
or Mukka was back.
correct.
Correct. But the ugly is also me, na? Black Friday is also me.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things to me, and I'm not going to define the rest of my life also based on whether I'm back or gone. I have been making films. I've been very busy. I've had 6 films out this month, 2 at the festivals and 1 on each Friday.
Yeah.
I've been associated with, और भी मैं उसके बाद भी काम कर रहा हूँ, और मेरे पास बिल्कुल समय नहीं है, इतना काम है. It's not like I'm gone anywhere, but I'm not going to let anybody decide what I want to make. I wrote Nishanchi in 2016. I waited so much because I wanted to find the right people to make it with. I did try to make it with a star. It didn't work out.
Who did
And
you
then-
offer it to first?
No, it was announced with Sushant
Correct, it had.
years ago. It didn't work out. Then I waited and I talked to few more people, and I realized that everybody eventually wants to be a big hero, big star, and I am post Bombay Velvet. They don't look at me as a director like that. जैसे होता है ना, यहाँ पे हर एक्टर, हर स्टार के कान में कोई बैठा है.
जी,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल.
और उनको एडवाइस ये दी जाती है कि ही इज़ अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. मेरे बारे में मैंने वैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सुनी हैं, तो ठीक है. आई थिंक स्टिल समबडी, आई फाइंड एन एक्टर हु इज गुड इनफ टू पुल ऑफ अ रोल लाइक दिस, आई विल नॉट. तो माई फर्स्ट थिंग वॉज आई हैव टू फर्स्ट लुक फॉर द बॉय हु विल प्ले बबलू. एंड देन आई met Aishwarya and I saw his show reel. I realized there's something about him. I wanted to meet him. I gave him the script to read, to react, and he reacted very strongly, and he was very excited about Bablu. And I said, you have to become a Kanpuriya for that. So he says, okay. I said, but also I have to make sure you can't do anything else. For that, I had to meet his family. I met his family because the family also can have plans, right?
Sure.
His mother is a producer. So I had to take assurance from her.
He belongs to a big family.
Yeah, in the sense, his mother is a producer, film producer, and I was like, I met Smita ji and I had a very one-on-one conversation with her. I said, if I'm taking your son, then I would not want him to do anything else. She's like, but you know, he has to do something. I said, yeah, and I don't know when my film is going to happen. So she says, she asked me, she says, can I run by you if any script comes my way? I said, yes. But if I say no, will you listen to me? So वो चलता रहा. And but each time before it could come to me, Aishwarya himself was adamant that I will start with this film. So she also at one point put all her trust in me. She said, okay, my son is also very clear. you are very clear. So we will not look at any other thing. So once that was clear, he started his prep, and it was seeing his prep and seeing his devotion to the role till it reached a point is when I offered him the other brother's role and said it's a double role. Otherwise, I was open to make it a 2-actor
Correct.
film. Then I offered him W. And then he was like excited, and Sylvester, and that also came from Sylvester and Animesh, who was my second unit director. They were ideating with the fact, and Sylvester is a guy who likes to take challenge. He's like, why do we have to shoot a double role like we have seen? So let's do it in a way nobody has done it before. And the way he said, I said, how? He said, they have to look totally different based on the characters and their life arcs, characters' life arcs. I said, how will we do that? Because हम लोग तो इतना ही मालूम है डबल रोल है तो मतलब आधा स्क्रीन इधर एक शर्ट बदला, हेयर स्टाइल बदला, आ गए.
बिल्कुल.
करेक्ट. तो उसने कहा वो हम करेंगे, ट्रस्ट अस. And I just trust us. You focus on performance and storytelling, trust us on the technicalities. And I just totally trust Silver, and I trust anybody, like all my team. I'm like, when they say that, trust us, and when there's a hunger to do something new, I'm game. मेरी जान निकली हुई थी. जब तक पहली बार मैंने खुद नहीं देखा मैजिक होते हुए, तब तक मेरी जान निकली हुई थी. But it is. We shot one brother first, the later part of him, where he's big built and long hair and beard, and then we shot. He had to cut his hair, he had to cut his beard, and then we shot the other brother. And he lost lots of weight, became thin, and then we shot the other brother.
It's a commitment.
Yeah,
for sure.
And then to put it together technically in the same scenes. वो जो था हमने जो pull off किया, वो I think किसी ने pull off नहीं किया, even in Sinners.
You were acting as an actor, but I know it took a while for you to commit also to again another film, go on the sets, because once you plan to do something, you go all the way.
No, I have never stopped making films. I've actually never stopped making films. It's just that I don't talk about it. I made Kennedy, I made Bandar,
I know.
I made Nishanchi. So the thing is, Kennedy has not come out. In spite of having travelled everywhere, but अब ठीक है, वो जिनकी फिल्म है, जिनके पैसे लगे हैं, उनको जब रिलीज करने करेंगे. हमारी फिल्म तो रेडी है और फाइनल कट हमारे यहाँ आया है, तो फिल्म जैसी है अब उनको जब चाहे रिलीज करें.
Will I get to see Bandar? Will we get to see Bandar soon? Is that a question?
Yeah, why not?
Soon?
Why not?
Is there a release planned?
No, right now the entire focus is on Nishanchi. Right now the entire focus is on Nishanchi.
It's very interesting, Anurag, like you said, you have people who love you, and like you said, it's a pros and cons situation when you have that kind of love. Some of your films...
No, it's not that. See, that thing is, when you stay here in Bombay, I felt isolated. But when I went to South, I have got the kind of love that I can't imagine. The whole of South industries, all of them. This immense amount of love that comes my way. Immense amount of love that comes my way. I get a lot of love. So ऐसा है नहीं. मैं सड़क पे भी चलता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत प्यार मिलता है. ऐसा नहीं है. वो ये सारी गलत फहमियाँ यहाँ पे रह के होती है. तो यहाँ पे आप बाहर नहीं निकलते हो और कमरे में बंद हो जाते हो, आइसोलेटेड हो जाते हो. मैं जब से वहाँ शिफ्ट किया हूँ, मैं सड़कों पे पैदल चलता हूँ. मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है वहाँ पे और बहुत अच्छी लाइफ है. हर आदमी प्यार ही देता है.
एज एन एक्टर क्या सीखा अपने डायरेक्टर्स से? यूजुअली डायरेक्टर को ये सवाल आता है ना.
नहीं, एक्टिंग बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है मेरे लिए. तो बहुत एक्टिंग इज अ जॉब फॉर मी.
ऑन द आई एम सेइंग साउथ बिकॉज यू डन नाउ मेनी फिल्म्स. आई कैन से दैट. अपने डायरेक्टर्स और को एक्टर्स से क्या सीखा अनुराग? बिकॉज यू रियली सीम लाइक यू आर रियली रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ देम.
Because I love the way they collaborate. That collaborativeness that I've seen in Malayalam cinema is beautiful.
Also passion.
एक आदमी, हाँ, मैं मतलब सिंपल से अभी मैं मलयाली मनोरमा अवार्ड अटेंड करके आ रहा था. And I was sitting with Basil. And he's doing such a phenomenal job as an acting. After doing Minnale Murali, and I'm saying, when are you directing your film? Next. He says, I've been writing. He says, why you only been acting? He says, what to do? I wasted my 2 years in Bollywood. He was like he was feeling the same thing about this place that I felt. He said, I wasted my 2 years. He says, how have you survived for so long? He asked me. In this industry. with the levels of egos and insecurities. And I literally didn't have an answer.
Okay, you're getting emo.
No, seriously.
Yeah, of
And I've
course.
seen their collaboration. Basil फिल्म में एक्टिंग कर रहा है, टोविनो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है,
Yeah.
किसी
It's
फिल्म में
wonderful.
टोविनो एक्टिंग कर रहा है, कोई और प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. और मैंने राइफल क्लब किए वहाँ जाके देखा है किस तरह से ये लोग काम करते हैं, किस तरह से बैठते हैं, सब अपना स्टारडम जो घर पे छोड़ के आ जाते हैं. कोई भी वहाँ पे मतलब खामखा का अननेसेसरी वेस्टेज नहीं होता. इसीलिए ये लोग 12 करोड़ में एक लोका बना पाते हैं.
That's what I was fab.
इसीलिए इतने कम बजट में मंजूमल बॉयज बनती है, क्योंकि जब वो फिल्म अटकी थी उसके बाद सब इकट्ठा हो गए थे हेल्प करने के लिए, उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए. तो वो जो मैजिक है वो इसीलिए है वहाँ पे, वो कोलैबोरेशन. और वो इतना सुंदर है ना, तो उसको देख करके, एंड विच इज आई स्टे कनेक्टेड विद द साउथ इंडस्ट्री. एंड आई हैव सीन द फ्रूट्स ऑफ इट, बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग अ फिल्म as recent as Bandar, and I was calling up every actor for small scenes. They all came from every industry. So many national award winners in one film. They all came.
Because they have respect for you as an artist also.
No, and they are artists themselves. They
Yeah.
also work in a collaborative way. I'll also go for them. So that's the magic that I learned from South.
You also made some really interesting series on OTT, but you've taken out some really, you took a stand for yourself
Yeah.
regarding what was happening. Why was that moment important for you? Because, you've also contributed a lot to OTT. You've been making shows
No,
valid.
it's not about that. It's a very simple thing, आपके लिए कोई चीज़ अगर वर्क नहीं की, मुझे मालूम है, मैंने अपने इतने साल दिए हैं. मैंने साल दिए, मैं इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट और टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट किया इसी एक सब्जेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट में.
Yeah.
करेक्ट. आपको पहले वो 3 पार्ट फिल्म थी, आपको पहले में ही मालूम है, पहले 10-15 पन्ने मालूम है कि यार ये तो नहीं हो सकता. यू शुड पॉइंट इट आउट देन एंड देयर, एंड इफ यू आर स्केर्ड ऑफ इट यू कुड हैव स्टॉप्ड इट. बट नो, they let me go on for 2 years, finish writing it, and still I was not told it's not happening. That is unethical, unprofessional to that level. उसके बावजूद I was, and to overcompensate, they would send me very shitty material, and I would say no to it. And when, despite that, when I was trying to do something, they're just so unethical. So I decided to step away. I stepped away. And I found another one by chance. It was like, it's like things happen for a reason. I was on a flight, long flight from Bangalore to Melbourne. And who's in the same flight? The then head of Amazon, Aparna. And I was like, एक script पढ़ेगी? I said, हाँ दो. तो इसे मैं देखती हूँ, she wanted to sleep also. She said, they पढ़ने के लिए, and she started reading it and she couldn't put it down. And she sent it from the flight to the whole team. She said, read it by the time we land. Everybody read it. Nobody put it down. And our film was really greenlit on a flight. It happened so fast, and they were so supportive of it.
For years when making films, you've also had, you've taken stand for yourself when it also comes to the censorship, right? Where you have felt extremely, pushed against the wall when it comes to creativity. When you are again making a film like Nisanchi, and there will be thoughts like that, right? How have you navigated through this now, the Anurag sitting in front of me, because this is an ongoing issue?
Yeah, because you know what? When we took Nisanchi, you'll be surprised, it's UA 16. It's UA 16, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of misunderstandings that I had was cleared when I went to the censor board. See, what happens is, they're doing a job. There's a new set of instructions that comes in. Last year, some new rules were made internally, right?
Yeah.
They have to follow the rules. And they told me, he says, you want changes to happen, because they were also triggered by my post. They were like, they told me on my face, he says, आपको बदलाव चाहिए तो आप पूरी इंडस्ट्री इकट्ठा क्यों नहीं जाते और लड़ते क्यों नहीं हो? आप इकट्ठा नहीं हो तो आप हमको ब्लेम करो, हम तो अपना काम कर रहे हैं.
They said that.
हाँ, they said that. हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं. हमारी जो नौकरी है, हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं. और वो सही बोल रहे थे. उन्होंने कहा आप लोग इकट्ठा ही नहीं होते और आप लड़ रहे हो उन लोगों के लिए जो खुद के लिए नहीं लड़ते। तो माई थिंग इज एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज एंड दे टोल्ड मी इफ़ यू वांट दिस सर्टिफिकेट, ये एक दो शब्द हैं जो आपको बदलने पड़ेंगे, और अगर आपको एडल्ट लेना है तो ठीक है ले जाइए, सब क्लियर है। मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, मुझे एडल्ट नहीं चाहिए, मुझे US-16 चाहिए, लेकिन मैं क्रिएटिवली अपने शब्दों को बदलना चाहूँगा। और उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, दे एग्रीड। इट वॉज वेरी स्मूथ, वेरी क्लियर कॉन्वर्सेशन, आई हैड नो प्रॉब्लम। देन आई रियलाइज दैट आधी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें जो है वो एक अलग रीजन बता, मेरी गलतफहमी दूर हो गई। उस दिन तक मेरी पोस्ट, जब मैं सेंसर बोर्ड गया तो उस दिन तक मेरी पोस्ट थी। उस दिन मैंने सेंसर बोर्ड से निकलने के बाद डिलीट की, बिकॉज मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि एक्चुअल कारण वहाँ नहीं है। और जो मैं सोचता हूँ, जो साउथ में मेरे को बेसिल ने बोला, जो हमारे सेंसर बोर्ड सोचता, सब लोग वही सोचते हैं। ये इंडस्ट्री का प्रॉब्लम यही है कि ये लोग कभी साथ नहीं आ सकते। ये खुश होते हैं कि उसकी अटक गई फिल्म, ये खुश होते हैं कि उसकी फिल्म फंस गई, ये खुश होते हैं उसकी फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई।
But I hope we come together, all of us, to celebrate Anurag's Nishanchi, because it's been a while. And I don't want to use the word missed you, because like you said, you've been making films. It's just that we want to see them. And I think it's a wonderful moment.
And I think now everything is going to come out.
It is going to come out. We're very, very excited, Anurag.
Thank you.
But thank you. All the best, Anurag. I'm very excited.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Also for the music.
Yes,
It's
the
looking
music is good.
fantastic.
They have to see my actresses also.
Of course, everybody. I think it's a fantastic casting done. So shout out to the whole team and
I will be
casting.
surprised. Wait till you see it.
I'm very happy. Okay. All the very best, Anurag. It's always wonderful chatting with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.